Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to explore a poem that invites us to look at nature in a new way. Our topic is Mild the Mist Upon the Hill by Emily Jane Brontë. Emily Jane Bronte's pseudonym or pen name was Alice Bell. She was born on 1818 and passed away on 1848. Her only novel, Wuthering Heights, gave her fame in classic writings. Let's start the poem with the opening lines. Mild the mist upon the hill, telling not of storms tomorrow. Have any one of you ever seen mist in the early morning? Perhaps over a hill or fields? Yes, in the early morning or over the Kanchenjunga mountain. Isn't it beautiful? The mist gently covers everything, giving a calm and peaceful feeling. In this poem, the poet describes a quiet scene, mist covering a hill, calm and soft. It creates an atmosphere of stillness where everything feels safe and peaceful. Let's read the poem. Mild the mist upon the hill, telling not of storms tomorrow. No, the day has wept its fill, spent its store of silent sorrow. Sometimes life looks calm on the outside, like the mist covering the hill, but we may sense that something else could be coming, maybe a storm or challenge. This brings a little mystery to the poem. Notice the words mild and mist. Both are soft and calming. This choice of language helps us feel the quiet mood the poet wanted to convey. Can anyone think of other words that describes a peaceful feeling? Some words that conveys a peaceful feeling are calm, serene, tranquil, quiet, gentle, soothing, placid, silent, etc. So, in the first stanza, we see that the mist is peaceful, not a sign of any impending storm. Instead, the day has already wept its fill, suggesting that nature has released its sadness quietly through rain, symbolizing a sort of exhausted calmness. The store of silent sorrow reflects a mood of melancholy that has already been expressed and now rests in tranquility. Let's read stanza 2. Oh, I am gone back to the days of youth. I am a child once more, and beneath my father's sheltering roof and near the old hall door. Here the speaker shifts into nostalgia, recalling childhood memories. The mist and quiet landscape bring her back to a time of innocence and safety. Under her father's sheltering roof. This home represents a place of protection and security, and the old hall door symbolizes the threshold between the familiar past and her present self. There is a deep yearning for the simplicity and comfort of childhood. The poet is momentarily transported back to a time when life felt safe and untroubled. Let's read third stanza. I watch this cloud evening fall after a day of rain, blue mist sweet mists of summer pearl the horizon's mountain chain. In this stanza, the speaker observes the evening quietly unfolding after a day of rain, symbolizing a natural cycle of sorrow followed by calm. The blue mists of summer are described as sweet, indicating tranquil, almost magical quality that covers the distant mountains. The word pearl suggests a delicate shroud or veil, emphasizing both beauty and a quiet somberness as night approaches. The scene creates a bridge between reality and the memory, merging the natural setting with the speaker's nostalgic reflections. Let's read fourth stanza or the final stanza. The dam stands on the long green grass, as thick as morning's tears, and dreamy scents of fragrance pass that breathe of other years. The final stanza captures the dampness lingering on the grass, as dense as morning's tears, a poignant comparison that enhances the poem's tone of quiet sorrow. This damp symbolizes lingering sadness, while the dreamy scents evoke memories like saints from the past reawakened in the present. Bronte suggests that certain sights, smells, and movements can rekindle distant memories, making the speaker feel momentarily immersed in other years and highlighting the theme of nostalgia for more innocent time. In this poem, Emily Jane Brontë beautifully intertwines nature with emotions of nostalgia and solitude. The imagery of mist, rain, and dampness reflects a mood of quiet sorrow and longing. Through the speaker's reflection on her past, she invites us to ponder our own memories of youth, creating a connection between nature's transience and our fleeting life moments. That's all for today. Stay tuned.